The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 is 5G ready and has a foldable design. It has a lightweight and strong armor aluminum frame. For impact protection, it features Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone is also IPX8 water resistant. It is available in black and green colors. Galaxy Z Fold3 comes with a 12 GB RAM for smooth multitasking. It is available in two memory variants to choose from, 256 GB and 512 GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Galaxy Z Fold3 has a 7.6-inch Infinity Flex main display. Featuring dynamic AMOLED 2x display with adaptive refresh rate, the phone provides vivid, bright and smooth visuals on screen. With the folded design, the phone has a 6.2-inch Infinity O cover display. The phone screen can be split into 3 apps at once, allowing you to multitask. It comes with facial recognition and side fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. The phone is compatible with S Pen Fold Edition and S Pen Pro. Galaxy Z Fold3 comes with triple rear camera setup and a 10-megapixel front camera. It also comes with a 4-megapixel under-display camera. You can take hands-free pictures using the Flex mode. Powered by Android 11.0 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Octa-Core processor, the phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with 4400 mAh battery. The box includes handset, non-removable battery included, data cable C2C, ejection pin, quick start guide, protective vinyl, protective films, pre-installed on main and cover display. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
This journey is very close to my heart, and it all started with my foldable. I discovered something on my phone. You see, Samsung has this app called Samsung Global Goals, which makes it so easy for anyone to contribute to causes that matter most to them. Hi, listen, I need to do something, but only you can help me. So, I want to raise awareness for a sustainable world by creating something meaningful with you. Okay. And what we're going to create is a dress. So guys, to make this dress, we're not going to be taking any more resources. We're going to use what we already have, like recycling.
Upcycling.
Correct.
And for that,
I'm going to use all my clothes.
Waiting for something to find me. Not take to brighten life around me.
Then she sent me this. So it was all done basically, but I don't know, man. Something's missing. Sometimes you've got to remember why you got started with something in the first place. And that's where the best inspiration comes from.
Hey Alia, are you going to flip or are you going to fold?
So guys, it's not over yet. Visit the Samsung Global Goals app and share this video tagging Samsung India with #UnfoldYourWorld. One lucky winner will stand a chance to win this sustainable dress designed by me. If you're going to surprise someone, this is the way to do it. It's time to unfold your world. Will you flip or fold? Are you going to keep staring at me? Ah! Oh my God. I can't believe that they've managed to fold glass. This screen is bigger than my face. Where is the camera? Oh, it's hidden. That's so cool, yeah. And you know what? It's also water resistant. Okay, selfie time. #hands-free selfie. Hey, cool, an S Pen. Need that dress. You can get so much done on this phone, it's crazy. Yeah, but don't you think you should improve your handwriting? Okay, we need to go. Myra's gonna be here any minute.
What are you doing, weirdo? Come, let's go.
I'm confused. Should I flip or should I fold? Okay, I can't decide. But maybe you can tell me. Will you flip or fold? Go on, unfold your world.